Have you ever wondered where the asteroid Kamo'oalewa came from? Could it be a piece of the moon? Imagine an asteroid not quite captured by Earth, yet in a perpetual dance around our planet. This is Kamo'oalewa, our co-orbital companion. What's truly fascinating about this asteroid is its unique quasi-satellite orbit. Always close, yet never fully seized by Earth's gravitational pull. But the intrigue doesn't stop there. Some scientists suggest that Kamo'oalewa might actually be a piece of our very own moon. Yes, you heard that right. A cataclysmic impact on the moon's surface could have catapulted debris into space, and Kamo'oalewa might just be one of those lunar fragments. If this hypothesis holds true, it unravels a whole new dimension of our understanding of the moon and its history. Stay tuned as we delve into the ejecta hypothesis and how it could explain Kamo'oalewa's origins. Let's explore the ejecta hypothesis, a theory suggesting Kamo'oalewa could be a piece of the moon. This hypothesis proposes that a massive impact on the moon millions of years ago could have launched debris into space. Some of these fragments, according to this theory, could have eventually become asteroids, including the one we're looking at today, Kamo'oalewa. Now imagine the cataclysmic event that would have to occur for this scenario to play out. A meteoroid slamming into the moon with such force that fragments of lunar rock are expelled into space. These fragments, or ejecta, are then left to drift, their futures determined by the gravitational pull of nearby celestial bodies. But how do we connect this hypothesis to Kamo'oalewa? Well, the answer lies in the asteroid's composition. Studies have shown that Kamo'oalewa shares striking similarities with lunar rocks, suggesting a shared origin. The specific minerals and isotopic signatures found in Kamo'oalewa are remarkably similar to those found in lunar samples. This hints at the possibility that Kamo'oalewa could indeed be a lunar fragment, launched into space by a massive impact event. Visualize this impact and the potential trajectory of Kamo'oalewa's journey to its current orbit. From a massive explosion on the moon's surface, fragments are thrown into space, each following a unique path determined by the forces of gravity. Over millions of years, these fragments could travel vast distances, with some eventually being captured by the Earth's gravitational pull. In Kamo'oalewa's case, it ended up in a peculiar orbit, dancing with Earth but not quite captured, a path that suggests a unique and dramatic origin story. So could Kamo'oalewa's unique dance around Earth be the result of a massive lunar impact? The ejecta hypothesis certainly provides a compelling explanation, but remember, in science we're always looking for more evidence. So the investigation continues as we seek to unravel the mysteries of Kamo'oalewa and its cosmic ballet. Kamo'oalewa's orbit around Earth is anything but ordinary. This asteroid performs a delicate ballet in space, tracing an intricate path that shifts between a quasi-satellite and a horseshoe-shaped orbit. Like a celestial dancer, it's always in sync with Earth's movement, yet never fully caught in our planet's gravitational embrace. This unique orbital behavior is a result of a phenomenon known as the dynamical barrier. Picture this. When an object is ejected from the moon, most trajectories would either send it spiraling into the sun, crashing into a planet, or drifting away into the far reaches of the solar system. Only a select few would allow it to remain in a stable orbit around Earth. Kamo'oalewa, it appears, found one such rare pathway. But how did it achieve this? Scientists have run simulations trying to recreate Kamo'oalewa's cosmic journey. They suggest that a specific launch angle and velocity at the time of the lunar impact could have set Kamo'oalewa on its present course. Imagine it like a perfectly executed billiard shot where the cue ball, our asteroid, is propelled at just the right speed and direction to end up circling around the 8-ball, our Earth. This rare orbital dance makes Kamo'oalewa a fascinating subject of study. Its unique path offers a precious window into the complex dynamics of our solar system and the hidden stories etched in its celestial bodies. What could Kamo'oalewa's potential lunar origin tell us about our cosmic neighborhood? If Kamo'oalewa indeed hails from the moon, it's not just an intriguing tale of a rogue rock. It offers us a fresh perspective on the history of our moon, the process of asteroid formation, and the past collisions that have shaped our solar system. It's like a time capsule, preserving clues from an era millions of years ago. Moreover, if one lunar escapee could find its way to such a unique orbit, who's to say there aren't more? The hunt is on for other potential lunar escapees. each one a new chapter in our understanding of the moon and its history. And let's not forget about the future. Missions to Kamo'oalewa could be on the horizon, with the promise of bringing back samples that could unlock its secrets and enrich our knowledge about the universe we inhabit. Kamo'oalewa's story could be a key to unlocking secrets of our solar system's past. While the ejecta hypothesis is compelling, it's not the final word on Kamo'oalewa's origins. This tiny asteroid, dancing its unique waltz around our planet, still holds many secrets. Other theories suggest it might be a stray from the asteroid belt or a fragment from a long-dead planet. Each possibility opens up a new avenue of exploration and intrigue. Scientists around the globe are tirelessly working to unravel the asteroid's past. They're sifting through data, running simulations and refining their theories. And with every new discovery, we inch closer to understanding the complex dance of celestial bodies. But let's not forget the best part. The mystery remains. As we peer into the cosmos, Kamo'oalewa serves as a reminder of the vast unknown that awaits our exploration. So let's stay curious, let's stay eager, and let's continue to marvel at the wonders of our universe. The mystery of Kamo'oalewa continues, making our cosmic backyard an exciting place to explore. What do you think about Kamo'oalewa's possible lunar origins? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Are there any other intriguing space anomalies you're curious about? Don't hesitate to share your questions and ideas. And remember, there's always more to discover, so make sure to subscribe for more exciting space adventures. Together, we'll delve into the untold stories of our universe, unmasking the secrets of the cosmos. Join us next time as we continue to explore the mysteries of the universe. Until then, keep looking up, looking.